Bago tayo magsimula, ipopromote ko lang ang aking online shop sa Shopee at sa TikTok, Miss the Queen PH. Meron po tayong mga power bracelets na ako mismo yung gumawa. So meron tayong mga bracelets for attracting money and abundance, mga pampaswerte. And then meron din tayong bracelets for protection, anti-evil eye, anti-inggit, and also for balancing your chakra. Meron din tayong bracelets for intuition, wisdom, courage, communication, clarity, and love. So lahat po ng ating bracelets ay meron ng kasamang pouch, instruction leaflet, and extra string. Ayan, meron din tayong mga intention oils and spell jar for prosperity and protection. So lahat po ng items ay cleansed and intention set na siya specifically to the buyer. So available to sa Shopee at sa TikTok shop. Link on the description. Thank you so much and happy shopping! Sagittarius, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong energy update for October 16 to 31, 2023. This is a general reading. Just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus para sa iba pang mensahe. And thank you so much sa lahat ng sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin nyo lang ang reading na to bilang gabay. Ayan, sa promote ko lang yung Sagittarius bracelet na nag-align sa energies ng Sagittarius. Meron tong red agate, carnelian, at smoky quartz. Available to sa aking shop. Link on the description. Okay, let's see. Sagittarius na yung update sa inyo. Energy, October 16 to 31. Energy ng mga Sag. You are very busy working. Focusing on your money, your finances. Parang ayaw nyo magpa-istorbo. Very busy. Okay. Maaring meron kayong project or business na wino-work out talaga. Or sa trabaho niya mismo. May minamaster kayo na craft na skills. Ano yung challenge ng mga Sagittarius? What's the challenge? The Three of Pentacles. As a challenge, if you are working with other people, pwedeng yung iba sa inyo nahihirapan kayo na meron kayong katrabaho. Alam mo yung may nakikialam, pwedeng ganon. Kaya mas gusto nyo na nagtatrabaho kayo ng kayo lang, no? Tahimik lang kayo, focus sa work ninyo. Ayaw nyo nang may nakikialam, pwedeng nagiging challenging sa inyo kung meron kayong kasama sa trabaho na yan, na imbis na mapadali yung trabaho, medyo mas nahihirapan kayo. Okay, let's see the opportunities for you. What are the opportunities for Sag? You have the Five of Wands. I think you're becoming more competitive, Sagittarius, no? Oo. So you have the opportunity to compete and show your talents, your skills. Pwedeng sasali kayo sa mga competition sa trabaho ninyo. Pwede rin any type of competition na kung saan ilalaban nyo ang inyong galing, ang inyong talento. And also, kung kayo ay merong medyo nakaalitan lately, may opportunity yan na mapag-usapan maayos. O, ano yung blessing? Two of Swords. Okay, as a blessing, meron kang major decision, no? Na kailangan mong bigyan ng focus, bigyan ng attention, na kung ano yung pipiliin mo, na kung saan ginamit mo talaga yung instinct mo, yung intuition mo, yung sinasabi ng yung kutob mo, no? Yun yung best for you. Yun yung I see you being guided sa kung saang decision na dapat mong piliin. Let us clarify. What is the Eight of Pentacles? Knight of Cups. I feel like, meron kang gustong patunayan. Meron kang gustong patunayan sa trabaho or sa isang tao na pwedeng hinahamon ka sa galing mo, sa kakayanan mo. And some of you naman, I'm seeing, merong admirer sa trabaho. Kasi nakikita niya na maganda yung work ethics mo, magaling kang, magaling ka, performer ka sa trabaho, masipag ka, and may mga admirers ka dyan. What is the Three of Pentacles? Four of Cups. Oo. Maari kasing meron kang mga kailangang makatrabaho ngayong second half ng October na hindi mo sila gusto kasi pwedeng meron kang sarili mong diskarte tapos ayaw mo na pinakikialaman ka. So, can be challenging para sa'yo. So, nasa sa'yo yan. If how are you going to handle this? Pwedeng sinabi ng boss mo, oh, you have to work with this person. Pero ayaw mo siyang katrabaho. Eh, di i-communicate mo na lang ng maayos para maiwasan ang issue. Oo. Let's see. And, merong pwedeng may gustong makipag-ayos sa'yo. Can be someone na nakaaway mo, can be romantic partner na gusto niyang maayos yung relationship ninyo pero parang ayaw mo pa. Okay, let's see your opportunity. Page of Wands. Travel opportunities. You really want to work by yourself. Para sa'yo, mas nakakahanap ka ng freedom or nakakaramdam ka ng kalayaan. Oo. Na kapag mag-isa ka lang na ginagawa yung mga bagay-bagay, pwedeng meron kang tutuklasin explore na bagong opportunities. What is the Two of Swords? Oh, Eight of Cups. Some of you, major decision to of leaving a situation. So, pwedeng leaving a relationship, leaving a connection, or a job, a career na sa tingin mo ay wala ng growth. With the Page of Wands kasi parang meron kang i-explore. Pwedeng travel opportunities, pwedeng related to sa iyong yung iyong creative aspect, no? Oo, pagiging creative mo, pagiging malikhain. Oh, you're going to shine. You have a lot of confidence sa sarili mo. Mars, taking action. This is motion. Okay. I think ayaw mo na yung nasa-stuck ka sa isang sitwasyon na walang pag-unlad, walang paglago. So, pag ganon, you want to, explore. Pwedeng, kapag nakikita mo na wala ng progress, wala ng pag-unlad, aalis. Taurus, yes, you are going to take care of yourself. Sarili mo naman ang iisipin mo ngayon. Gusto mo, naalagaan ka. Kung hindi ka naalagaan ng iba, edi ikaw yung mag-aalaga sa sarili mo. Rewards. Oh, your hard work is paying off. Meron kang award or reward na matatanggap sa trabaho. Na kayo ay magse-celebrate with the people na gusto mong makasama. Meron ding unexpected income or pagtaas ng sweldo, pagtaas ng income mo, no? That you will celebrate with the people you love. May celebration Sa love naman, tingnan natin. Separation. Manifest. I feel like you need to disconnect sa isang tao or pwedeng gusto mo kasi muna na mapag-isa. Oo. So, ito is, you both need time and space to figure things out. So, if you are in a relationship right now at medyo magulo yung patutunguhan ng relationship niyo, parang walang patutunguhan, I feel like you are going to, parang magpapahinga muna kayo. Oo. Pwedeng yung iba naman magse-separate talaga, but you want to manifest a relationship na kung saan may fulfillment. Kasi kung wala ka ng fulfillment dyan, I think, isa yan sa major decision na gagawin mo. Wala ka ng fulfillment, hanapin mo kung saan ka mas magiging fulfilled, saan ka mas magiging masaya. Okay? Your final message. Breathe. This moment matters most. How can you focus on the moment and appreciate all that is well? So, this is focusing on your present moment. Yung iba kasi, meron pa ring They still feel depressed about the past and anxious about the future. Pero ang totoo, mas mahabuti kung sa present moment ka muna magfo-focus. Yun yung unahin mo. You have to deal with your present moment. Okay? So, that is your reading, Sagittarius. Kung nagustuhan nyo ito, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan, like, share, subscribe, para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Sagittarius. See you again.